Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the OR network token. Now this token is being listed soon on a central exchange. ORE stands for Open Rights Exchange Token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The OR token. I believe it's pronounced OR. It could be ORE for all I know, but ORE looks like OR. So this is their Twitter is at OR Protocol, but they also call it the OR Network. So the Open Rights Exchange OR Network is a purpose-built blockchain optimized for managing secure identities cross-chain, powered by the ORE token. Now the ORE token, it was just announced February 2nd on Mexc Global's Twitter, which you could find at Mexc_global. It says new project alert, or the OR token is listing soon on Mexc Global. So if you follow Mexc Global's Twitter, this will be listed soon on the Mexc Global exchange. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is when this token gets listed, and you can find that out by following Mexc Global's Twitter. When it gets listed, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ORE, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find more info if you go over to at ORE Protocol on Twitter. They have 35,000 Twitter followers. And their latest tweet here, it says, the much-awaited listing announcement is here. ORE is coming to Mexc Global, a leading centralized exchange. And they have details here. Maybe they have details exactly announced when it'll be. Oh, so it'll take you over to a Medium article where they're talking about this new Mexc listing here. Now, let's skip past this. We'll actually just talk about what is this project all about. So you can go over to their webpage, ore.network. Over there you can find a real lengthy white paper. They also have a light paper, but their white paper, I believe, is like 43 pages long, pretty extensive. So the Open Rights Exchange here is a cross-chain open-sourced identity and account protocol. Users will easily be able to control their identity, assets, and rights across various on-chain and off-chain applications with a single universal account. This universal account will be able to create and manage wallets on multiple blockchains and interact with their accounts on centralized services. Applications built on the ORE protocol will be natively cross-chain and will be able to connect to traditional finance. This enables cross-chain DeFi and NFTs and the ability to use your off-chain assets in DeFi. So the market opportunity, blockchain identity and account management will grow to be a multi-billion-dollar industry in the next few years. Onboarding new users and managing assets on multiple chains are just the most obvious use cases. The OR protocol will power cross-chain DeFi and NFTs, unlocking new use cases that create trillions of dollars in value. In traditional capital markets, the notional the notional size of derivatives markets is much larger than that of the underlying assets. The opportunity is even more explosive in crypto. Cross-chain DeFi will allow previously siloed pools of capital to freely interact with each other, supporting decentralized and cross-chain derivatives market. The protocol that empowers this will be tremendously valuable. The OR protocol also is capable of interacting with centralized services and applications, thus, plus the tokenization of traditional assets will lead to even greater opportunities. So the OREID is a single sign-on service that manages wallets on multiple chains. OREID allows people to create or sign on to their OR account with their email address or social media accounts. So the ORE protocol will power many next-generation cross-chain applications. Several key applications have already been developed. They have the ORE Vault, which is a multi-sig asset management service built on the OREID targeted at business customers. And they have the OR Active NFTs. OR Active NFTs allows NFTs to be used to manage access control for off-chain APIs. Not everything should be on-chain, and the OR protocol is capable of interacting with centralized services and applications. So they have a roadmap on here, very, very tiny print on the roadmap, got to magnify that. So they started all the way back in 2017 where they launched the OR protocol. Then 2018 OREID launch built on the OR blockchain, and then EOS support. 2019 launch of ChainJs, and then first accounts created on the OR blockchain. 2020 they had Algorand integration launch, trustless signing service, first Algorand grant, and then Ethereum support. 2021 they had the OR Vault launch built on OR blockchain, second Algorand grant recipient, Polkadot support, Telos, Wax, and Bitcoin support. And then we got key backup support or token initial DEX offering. And then 2022 Cardano support, BSC, Polygon, Casper, Avalanche. And then initiate grant support to NFT startups or ID usage. So if you want to read more about this, they actually have their whole team doxed on their light paper as well here. But yeah, if you want to read more about this token, you can review their webpage or.network. Over there, you can find a 43-page white paper, a light paper, all sorts of blogs, so much info on this token. And stay tuned because coming soon, this token will be launching on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there and leave a comment. What do you guys think about the OR network? Do you think this is a good token or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.